Today I will review the Vigorous EA trading robot that I've been trading for nearly a year on different types of accounts, live, funded and a Darwinex Zero account, and you will learn how this Euro-dollar scalping robot works and I will show you real results. That way by the end of the video you will see if this is the right trading robot for you. So let me show you first a live account of mine which I started long ago. Let me show you the starting date. It was back in 2024 and to be precise it was on the 21st of November 2024, and in this account I'm trading the Ranger, the Sharpshooter and the Vigorous Expert Advisor. You will see plenty of trades. It's really hard to understand from the history the performance in the account, but overall I have $1,300 of a profit. And actually the track record of this account is available only for our VIP users, but I like to break rules, so I'll show it to you. It's right in here. You will see that I have a very steady balance line, and just today I got really nice profit exactly from the Vigorous. The account history is 96 days. If I click on stats, you will see that the profit factor of the account is 1.84, and if I click on strategy, you will see that the most net profit I've made exactly with the Vigorous. And interestingly, today there was a huge floating profit from the Vigorous in my account, and I'm talking about all of these profits that closed today. Usually the Vigorous doesn't keep floating profit for long, and I restarted the platform, the trades were closed, and it could be a bug in MetaTrader, but overall I ended up with some nice profits today. And one more thing I want to show you is that there are no huge drawdowns in this account, and you will see that the equity stays really close to the balance chart. And once I started this live account, I saw that the Vigorous has all of the potential to be traded on a Darwinex account, which is a crowdsourced hedge fund where we receive allocation and we can withdraw performance fees, and I will show you all of that because the Vigorous did it. So it's on the same VPS account, and you can see that the Vigorous made $12,000 in my Darwinex account. It is trading alone, no other expert advisors in this account. And if I log into my Darwinex account, you will see that I have return of above 12% in the account. The max drawdown is 3.16%, and I have 90,000 euros in assets under management, or this is the allocation I received from Darwinex. Here is the balance, and you can see below this balance line that in the first 1 month I have the calibration, or this is when my Darwin was calculated. Then I received 30k, another 30k and another 30k, so in total I have 90k. And this month I received another 30k, but it's the 4th month after the first allocation, so the first allocation is gone, and again I remain with 90k. You will see that the rating is 87.04, and if it remains above 75 I will receive more allocation in the next 1 month. My current position in the silver stage is 212 with this account where I'm trading the Vigorous, and because it's been a quarter since I'm trading this account with allocation, I can withdraw performance fee. I'll go to allocations, and you can see that the estimated performance fee I'll be able to withdraw is 337, but if I go to settings and I go to withdrawals, you will see that I can actually withdraw 392 euros and 41 cents. All I need to do is actually to add my withdrawal method, which I will do quickly. And I know that 15% profit split is not a lot, but I explained in many videos why it is 15%, and on my other channel Petko I showed mathematically that 15% is much more compared to if you are trading on a live account or instant funding account, because you receive allocation and you receive profit split on a huge amount of money. I will leave the link to that video in the description if you want to see the video with the calculations. So for the moment, I'm happy with the performance of the Vigorous EA on a live account, on a Darwinex account, and I already have it on an instant funded account. The price of the expert advisor at the time of recording the video is nearly $500. There is 5 days demo and there is 30-day money back guarantee, and that's something I'm always looking for before I purchase an expert advisor, because if I'm not happy with the results, obviously you can get your money back. There is track record from the vendor, and this track record impressed me at the beginning, not because it made 87%, but because there is this huge drawdown. It's a 30% drawdown back in 2023, and the vendor kept it. He didn't hide it, he didn't change it with another track record, he kept it. So we know exactly how much is the risk. It's 30%. That's what happened since 2021, and that's the overall risk in the account, or basically that's the stop loss in the account that the vendor set. And there were a few drawdowns after that, but of course if you want to lower these drawdowns, you can just lower the risk. I will leave the link to Vigorous EA down below in the description if you want to test it out, and if you want to learn how the powerhouse works, which is the new EA that combines the Vigorous and a few more strategies from the vendor Ryan. Check out the link on the site, and until then I wish you safe trading. Bye.